This says indicate which of the following sentences are statements. So a statement is a sentence that is either true or false. So part A, 1024 is the smallest four-digit number that is a perfect square. That is a statement because it is true. 1024 is the smallest four-digit number that is a perfect square. So for part B, it says she is a mathematics major. The problem here is with she. She is an ambiguous pronoun, meaning that it does not provide context with who actually is a mathematics major. Who is a mathematics major? Is it this she or that she? Which she is it? So this ambiguity means that the truth of this statement is also ambiguous. So this could be true, this could be false, we don't know. And because we don't know, and it's not really possible to know because we're not given the context, we say this is not a statement. If you had context, if we already knew who she was, then this would be a statement that applies to that specific she, and we can say that this is either true or false, depending on who that she is. So for part C, we have 128 equals 2 to the 6th. That's not true. 120 does not equal 2 to the 6th. You can plug 2 to the 6th into your calculator and you'll see that this is not the same thing as 128. So this is false, but the directions say indicate which of the following sentences are statements. So even though this is false, this is still a statement. It's a false statement, but it's still a statement. It's a statement because the truth of this statement, which is false, is concrete and determined. So this is a perfectly acceptable sentence. I mean, maybe it needs a period at the end, but technically periods in this context can provide ambiguity, so I think it's best left as is. C is a statement, yes. For part D, we have x equals 2 to the 6th. The problem here is x. How is x quantified? Does x represent a specific number? Does x represent a lot of numbers? The truth of part D is dependent on x, and because x is left ambiguous, just like she was left ambiguous, we don't know what x is, and so we can't tell whether or not this statement is true or false. It's not that we're too ignorant, it's that it's not possible because we're not given that context. So we would say that this is not a statement because we don't understand the quantification of x. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.